Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Divine, and if you're not new, welcome back. For today's video guys, I have another bag reveal for you, and it's gonna be another bag from Louis Vuitton. And as you can tell that this box is bigger than the other boxes that I've been unboxing. That is because I did get a bigger bag because I want to use it as a mommy, like a mommy bag. But not just as a mommy bag, but also a multi-use bag where I can use it for myself and also for my baby. So here we are. Without further ado, I will be unboxing this. I honestly, look at this. I am so clumsy. But I did unbox this one yesterday, but the footage that I had was not good. So I decided to just refilm it, but not an unboxing, but a reveal. And there you go, it's gone now. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It is a bigger bag than my normal bags, so let me show you. You probably won't be able to guess what type of bag it is because I haven't put out a wish list. So I should. I'm planning to make a video about my wish list, kind of like a mid-year wish list, because I haven't done one for this year. And yeah, so I think I'm going to do that. And for the bag, here we are. Like I said, I did unbox it. That's why I have the ribbon inside already. Okay guys, so the bag is in here. So you can tell the dust bag is pretty huge. And I am going to open it right now. And to reveal to you guys my new bag, it's the Vuitton backpack. I did kind of try it on yesterday already. I haven't taken out the stuff yet, but I did try on the backpack to see how it lands on my back and stuff. But as you can tell, this is not the BB version. This is the bigger version. And I have been obsessing over Damier Azur. And like I said in my last video that I have been very, very obsessed with pink. I did say I was going to get the Neverfull GM with the Damier Azur with the pink interior or the rose ballerine interior if I do have a girl. However, I did have our reveal already. We had our gender reveal about a week ago, and I am having a boy. I am going to be a boy mom, guys. As much as, well, everybody was team girl, I wanted to be team girl, but deep inside I know that it wasn't going to be a girl, and it's just more of a feeling. I tried to manifest it was going to be a girl, but deep inside I felt like it wasn't going to be a girl. So I'm meant to be a boy mom. So anyways, I cannot find any blue bag that I like. I think blue is just really not my color. I like it on other people, or I like it on other decorations, decors, or other stuff, but I don't like it on bags. So anyways, I ended up just getting something with pink, even though I'm having a boy. It's my bag anyways guys, this is the bag that I got. I chose this one because I want something that's hands-free. I wanted to be able to have a bigger backpack. I've been wanting a backpack. I was debating between this one, the Monsterie, or the Palm Springs, but all of them were kind of hard to get, and this was actually part of my wish list. It's been there for about 6 months now. It's just it's part of my wish list, but I wasn't that sure yet. And then when I saw that it was available, I just grabbed it because I haven't seen it in person. I've never seen it in person. Every time I go to a store, they don't have it. So I just wanted to see it in person. So I got it. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna keep it. Ricky's concern about this one is just the color transfer, which I understand because it does tend to happen. I did look, some other people got some color transfer. I'm not exactly sure how they got color transfer because I saw one that has a pink color transfer. So Anyways, but I saw other people like carrying this. I saw other people like dressing it up. They put a bandeau right here. It looks so cute. I love the white and pink combo. As you can tell, I do like white and pink, and I like gold. It has a gold accent on here, like the buttons and the buckle right here, and also it has a D-ring inside, which is right here. The only downfall that I saw, oh, there's two pockets right here as well, which I've tried to put my phone in and it does fit perfectly. It fits like a glove. And there's also a compartment in the front which will fit a, like basically the wipes. It'll be able to fit in there. It's pretty huge. It's pretty spacious. So the only downfall about this one that I noticed is that there's a loose stitching right here. I'm not sure if you could see that, but I'll probably take a picture, or I'm not sure if you guys could see it. But yeah, I'll probably take a picture, but there's a loose stitching right here. And also it came with, there's a little stain. It's probably not noticeable right away, but I did notice it. And it's like right here. It's very faint. I don't know if that's gonna make me wanna exchange it. I am still looking at the Monsterie, but that's another bag that I cannot get my hands on for me to compare. But I really love the pink and white, guys. It's either this one or the Monsterie in the empreinte leather, the beige one with the pink interior. I really like that bag, but I like this one as well. Anyways, guys, so it kind of reminds me of a bucket bag without the back, without the flap right here. It kind of reminds me of a Noé bag, the Petite Noé, and without the strings on the side. But I really like the combo. I wish they would really make a bucket bag or the Noé in Demi Azur with a pink lining. I think it would look really cute, and I probably would get that. But yeah, guys, I'm very excited for this one. I'm gonna hold on to it. I am about 90% that I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna check with my SA if they have this, in stock at the store. I would probably just do exchange and end up keeping this one. If not, I don't know, guys. Should I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but I'm just not sure if this is just gonna come off or not. I actually just noticed this right before I filmed this, but the stain right here, I did notice that when I opened it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, guys. I know a lot of you guys would be scared to have a bag like this because of the vaquera, which I'm actually very excited about the vaquera because I'm not really scared of having marks on it and stuff like that, just because I know it tells a lot of story. And yeah, it just tells basically your story, and eventually I know that it is gonna do that. I actually prefer the honey color vaquera versus a brand new one, and it smells so good. And yeah, guys, so this is gonna be my new mommy bag. I know that I don't want you guys to think that it's just a diaper bag. It's too expensive to be a diaper bag, but it is gonna be both. I could also use this when we're traveling. That's basically what I have in my mind. It's just basically when we're gonna be traveling, or when we go to, like, say, I don't know, we go to a park, we go to Disneyland or something. I could wear this one and not worry about it. A lot of things can fit inside. It'll be able to fit my iPad. I'll be able to fit clothes. I'm gonna get, most likely I am gonna get a, what is that called, an organizer inside, so that at least it'll be able to hold a bottle or two, and it's not gonna tip over the material inside. See, it's so cute. And oh my god, I don't know if I could return this. It's too pretty. If you guys have this one, can you please let me know what your experiences are with this bag, if you guys regret it or you guys don't. As of right now, I'm very happy with this bag. I don't know, guys. I wanted the BB as well. It's also on my wish list, but at this point of my life, I actually need a little bigger of a bag because I already have the Palm Springs Mini over here, and that's something I won't be able to really utilize when I have a newborn with me. So, and I know this is something I'll be able to utilize, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, that's another reason why I thought of getting a bigger bag is that, so when I'm vlogging, because I'm really trying my best to vlog more and edit more so I could put out more videos, I am able to put in my camera in here with extra gadgets or whatever if need be, because with my smaller bags, it does not fit anything. Even my small G7X camera does not fit properly in my other bags. It's hard. I mean, it fits unless I have other things. So yeah. Anyways, I don't think I'll be able to fill this with stuff right now because I don't know exactly what to put in here. But I can also use this when I go travel. Like say if we go to a different state and I have my, what is that called, my luggage, my small luggage, my carry-on luggage, there you go, my carry-on luggage, I can just have that one in this one and I'll be perfectly fine. And I feel like this is more of a realistic wish list that I fulfilled at this time versus having to fulfill my other wish list, because it does not benefit me. It doesn't benefit me at all at this point of my life. I'll be sharing with you guys my other luxury wish lists and stuff. And yeah, guys, I just really wanted to share with you guys this purchase. I'm very excited. I also wanted to get your guys's opinion about this bag, if you guys have, if you've ever had it before. The only, like I said earlier, the only reason why people wouldn't wanna get it is just because of the color transfer and also the Vaquera, but which I'm not really scared of. I don't have very many Demi Azur pieces. I only have my very first BD, and I have my Demi Azur key clay or key pouch, and basically, oh, the mini pochette, and then this one. So now at least I have the key clay and I can have the mini pochette with this one, and I think that would look so cute, guys. I'm so excited to just put it all together. I can see it all in my head. And yeah, guys, that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Sorry if you guys are seeing like breakouts on my skin. That is because I am pregnant and I do have psoriasis. I had to stop my medication, and basically I abruptly stopped my medication because I can't have it while I'm pregnant. So now I'm on a full-blown flare-up. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal because I did enjoy it. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this type of videos, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also click that bell button to get notified of my future videos. I will have more videos like this, and also all sorts of other videos planned out for my channel, because I'm really trying to make sure that I get back to it. And yeah, I did get new camera a few months ago. I just recently started uploading, but I was vlogging back then. So yeah, anyways, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.